Yo, what it do? It's your boy C's from the CeesOfLife.com, and today is the start of a 90-day journey that I'm getting set to embark on. And in this journey, I'm going to be documenting myself creating my own online fitness business. Now, I've been doing a lot of reading, research, and learning a ton, and I want to use those efforts and put them into action. So today, I'm just going to just share with you guys that I'm going to hold myself accountable to 90 days, all right, me documenting every step of the process and getting my online fitness business on and popping, all right? I know I've been doing a lot of do a lot of research, and there's no type of content out there that shows these behind the scenes. There's always like those half-truths where they give you part of the details but not all. Using this documenting series, I want to be sharing with you guys all the behind the scenes, all my F-ups, all my wins, you know, all my successes, all my failures, and see exactly if all this research and all the reading that I've been doing can actually yield me tangible results of building a successful online business. Shameless plug, my ebook is going to be in the link below, so go ahead and download that and run through that program. We also have a community on Facebook you can join as well, learn a ton from our fitness pro contributors and also the other athletes who are there to learn and grow as well. All right, so I'm nervous, you know, because I've never done anything like this before, never committed to this sort of a process before, so I don't know what exactly is going to entail, but I know at the end of the 90 days, I'm going to learn a shit ton, and hopefully the value that I've learned and the value that I share can be transferred onto you and help you grow your online business, or to help you successfully shed some pounds or live out your fitness goals. All right, so if you have any questions or anything that you want me to cover, just hop in the comments below. Follow me on Facebook, join the community on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, YouTube, subscribe, and Twitter, and join my email list, join the tribe. We're going to be growing a lot together, right? We're going to stretch that mental muscle, and yeah, I'm excited, man. So enough of me talking. Let's get to work, all right? Day one is going to start tomorrow. Let's get it.